To make QMath available to more parents, we are launching no-cost EMI as a fee payment option for parents. This will be available for both new enrollments as well as renewals for existing students. The EMIs are available on selected bank credit cards. We also have cardless EMI option powered by our financial partner Zest Money. Parents can avail this EMI option for payments made through our website only and not for the payments made on QParent app. Alternately, you as a teacher can also send payment links generated from the QTeacher app, and this will automatically take the parent to www.qmat.com, which is our website where they can log in and make the payments using the EMI option. Now let us see how to use the EMI option while making the payment. The parent will have to log in to www.qmat.com using his registered phone number and the OTP that he receives. Next, he'll have to click on the Pay Fee button under the name of the child. This will take the parent to the fee payment page. Next step would be to choose the fee tenure. Remember that these EMI options are available only for 6 and 10-month payments. The option for 10-month tenure will soon be available on the screen in place of the 12-month tenure. 3 and 2-month payments are not eligible for this facility. Let's say from the given option, the parent chooses 12-month tenure, and as you can see on the screen, a total amount for 12 months will be shown to him. Clicking on this option will take the parent to the payment options. Let us first look at no-cost credit card EMI. Clicking on this option will open list of banks for which the parent can avail no-cost EMI option if he has credit cards from any of these banks. The parent will need to select the bank and the EMI duration. The EMI duration is the total number of months for which the parent wants to pay the EMI. Notice that the amount that is charged as interest by the bank is getting discounted. This interest amount will be paid by QMath on the parent's behalf to ensure that the parent does not bear the additional cost of interest. The interest and subsequent discount will vary from bank to bank, but the interest charged will always be discounted by QMath. A list of all the banks will be shared with you through a PDF to keep you updated. All the important information related to the EMI to be paid is available in this box. After choosing the plan, the parent will have to enter the credit card details and make the payment. This will block the entire amount on the credit card, and as mentioned here, this amount will be converted to EMI in 3 to 4 days. Next, let us look at cardless no-cost EMI option. If the parent does not have a credit card, then he can also go for cardless EMI option. This is powered by Zest Money. For this, the parent will have to select the zero-cost cardless EMI payment option. Let's take the same example as above. Now, if the parent chooses cardless no-cost EMI option for 12 months, the system will give all the relevant information such as the total amount that the parent has to pay, which in this case is 19,040, the EMI tenure, that amount that he has to pay per month as EMI. The parent will also have to make a down payment of 2 months of EMI, which is 3,180. This amount will have to be paid immediately to complete the EMI process. On clicking Avail Cardless EMI, suitable plans will be suggested to the parent by the system. The parent will have to review the suggested plans and click on Save and Continue button. An interest will be added to the EMI as per RBI guidelines. This interest is based upon the loan amount and will be charged from the parent's account when the EMI payment is made, but this will be credited back within 2 to 4 working days. Once the plan is selected and the parent clicks on Save and Continue button, he will be taken to this page where he can either log into his Zest account if he already has one, or he can create a new profile. This will redirect the parent to Zest Money app to complete his profile with all the relevant data like name, gender, date of birth, PAN number, address, etc. Remember that Aadhaar card verification or submission is not mandatory for profile completion, but submitting a valid and correct PAN card number is a must to complete the profile. This step is followed by updating the basic financial details in the next page. Zest has agreed with us that this financial details will not be a rejection criteria, and hence the parent will get the no-cost cardless EMI sanction from Zest no matter what financial details he fills. But this is a mandatory step and hence cannot be skipped. Clicking Confirm will take the parent to the down payment page. After he clicks the Proceed to Pay button, he will be taken to this page where he can choose the mode of his down payment. This can either be through card or net banking. After the down payment is completed, the parent will get the agreement. Clicking the I accept button will take the parent to the next step in this process, which is to upload a government ID and a photograph for completing the KYC verification. The government ID is used to verify the parent's ID and address, and the parent can use any of the following documents: Aadhaar, voter ID, passport or driving license. This is again a mandatory step. Remind the parent to upload clear and correct photographs here to avoid any discrepancy later. The next step is the repayment settings step. Here, the parent will be taken to a page where he can set up automated payments for paying back the EMIs using his bank details. After entering the bank details from which he wants the repayment EMIs to be deducted, he will be taken to the authorization page. For this, the parent can either set up net banking auto debit or upload a signed copy of NACH document. This document specifies the amount to be deducted from the parent's account every month. The parent will have to download it, sign it and upload it back. Out of the two options mentioned above, it depends upon the bank as to which kind of repayment option they are providing. This step is a mandatory step for completing the automated payment confirmation for monthly payments. There is another way to set up the repayment option. Zest has provided us with a feature where the parent will have to upload a white sheet of paper with his signature. Zest will attest the signature with the bank details and submit the NACH document on the parent's behalf. Completing the repayment page will bring the parent to the end of the transaction.